라면 먹고 갈래?
먹고 갈래.
It means
라면 먹고 갈래?
yeah,
라면
yeah.
먹고 갈래?
라면 먹고 갈래?
먹고 갈래? Are you actually asking if we want to eat ramen?
Yeah, like, you know, it's kind of like, do you want to come over to my house and have some ramen?
라면 먹고 갈래?
Yeah.
먹고 is eating, right?
Yeah.
And 라면 is ramen. 먹고 갈래? 라면. You say it differently than it is in Japanese, though. The Korean pronunciation is kind of different.
Yeah, because
라면.
in Japanese is ramen, but in Korean it's ramyeon.
라면
Yeah.
먹고 갈래?
먹고 갈래. 먹고, like go. Pokemon Go.
먹고 갈래.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. 감사합니다. 너무 감사합니다. 뽀뽀 주세요, 크로니. 언니, 뽀뽀 주세요.
No, I have to say 언니. Kiara. 언니.
크로니. 우유 주세요.
우유?
우유.
냉장고에서 꺼내 먹어.
What did you say? That sounded hot.
No, it means like just take it out from the fridge.
No. 가슴 우유 주세요.